Hi, today I'm for the Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Here click to internet section and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off we should use the switcher. After that you should just select one from the available networks and enter the password. Then just click here to the show password checkbox if you wanna see the password. After that tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that we're just successfully connected to this network. So also we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. So click once on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn off this option. And after that you could launch the Wi-Fi by press and hold this icon and launch Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.